Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from UltraFire. Now this here is their T6. Now this is a complete kit, comes in this box. Now they sent this to me directly, they wanted me to feature it here on my channel. And we'll start off here on the back with the specs. So as you see there, puts out 1800 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in it. Got the user manual, multi-language, pretty straight to the point. USB Type-C charging cable. And we've got one extra O-ring. There's already one on the light. A very small lanyard. Now these are lens covers that you can put on the light. This is blue, red, green, my favorite color. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. Now let's get this off here. This is a warning or a reminder, let you know that there is a protection piece on the battery to remove it. And there it is. Nice size here. Definitely has a tactical feel to it as well, or everyday carry, all in one light. The head is bigger than the rest of the body. Looks good. Almost has a semi-gloss finish to it. Side switch there. I like this body style here. Here's the USB charging port. You do have a clip on here. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. Lanyard holes here and here. You can also feed it through the clip if you want. Style and design on this is nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the deep smooth reflector. See the LED down in there. They don't say what they're using, but it definitely does look like a luminous LED. Not really sure. No dome on it. And the machining and finish on this is nice. Feels comfortable to carry this. Or if you gotta be law enforcement, security, you can do so as well. Alright, so well, let's go ahead and take this apart, and I'll show you the insides. Let me put those on in a little bit. It's nice to be able to get lights from UltraFire. They've been around for many, many years. Tail spring there. Now here's the protection piece you want to remove. I save these. Come in very handy if you want to store the light. It'll help last longer. The battery here is a 21700 cell. This is a protected cell. 5000 milliamp. Should provide plenty of power for this. And I believe this is a 15 amp cell. It might be a little bit less. It's actually a 20 amp cell, but sometimes they lower that with the protection piece here at the bottom. And straight contact plate there on the head. So if you do have an extra button top cell you can use, it's going to have to be a protected cell because it is pretty long. If it's unprotected, I haven't seen any unprotected cells with the button top unless it's like a special made cell by the person or company. But use caution. Alright, so now we got it all back together. Let's go through the UI and I'll show you the colored lenses. Activate the light just like that. Got a battery level indicator there that comes on when you first turn on the light and goes off. And we're going to click that side switch. So it's got a pretty good jump there. 3 light outputs there. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the beam. Ooh, it's definitely going to lean more towards a combination. That's nice. Really focused here, but it does have a little area spill that has some bleeding to the spill area. But that's a nice beam. Oh yeah. Now if you do want to press down and hold, we'll get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash, and it is very distracting. Click one time, does have memory mode. We'll go back to the last light output. Now you can use it tactically if you wish. You can just pressure switch that if you wish. Put it on any light level that you want. To do that, set it up for whatever you want to do. Now I have not charged the battery yet, so it's definitely going to charge it before I head out there, so no worries on that. And that's all there is to this light. I'll turn it back down to the lowest. I'll get that on the charger. Now let's go ahead and check out these little colored lenses here. See how they fit. A nice little Ziploc bag so you can put them back in when you're done. This one here is the green. Oh nice. That goes right over. There's no screwing down, it just goes right over like that. Nice. Keeping that beam. If you're a hunter, green is very popular for hunting. Yeah. Nice. Go ahead and get the other ones out, show them to you. This one here is the red. Definitely is red in color. I like these because you can easily just put them on and pull it right off. This one here, blue. Look at that. That is nice. And that's all there is. So it feels rugged, not seeing any issues here. Definitely is kind of a tactical feel and an everyday carry light, which is nice, all in one. Battery, I'll charge it before I head out there. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and take this T6 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the UltraFire T6 and get started on the lowest light output. Battery level is good. Show to you here. Charged it fully. I'm going to go ahead and start here with the water spout, 38 feet. Now it is making 65 feet there. Tree trunk is wet. Had to wait for the sprinklers to shut off here. So low light level, that's the hot spot on the fence. Give you an idea. The range on this is pretty impressive, as you can see there. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Spill is really coming alive here. First palm tree, look at that. This thing is a little pocket rocket. It's not real small, but this thing has got some good range on this. Like I said, it does look like it's a luminous LED, but I'm not sure. 238 feet there, behind the famous Tree of Life here. Now I have a link to my testing area here, should you have any questions or doubts about how far things are. See across the park to that playground even better there. Second one. Tree line, fence line. I'm going to do the next level here. The famous Tree of Life. This thing is really impressive. Playing with it earlier, look at that. This thing is just a little, to me it's more of a, kind of leans towards the dedicated thrower, but does have a little bit of a combination beam attitude. fill area is very nice, well lit up there. See the foreground easily. Look at that, way out there. And this is budget friendly as well. Look at that, everything at the end of that beam is lit up like daytime. Tree line, fence line again. Do a beam profile here, pretty tight. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This T6 got some good range on it. Impressive. I'm not too sure what the LED is in this, but it is impressive. 21700 cells power. It's going to give you good run times on the lower light outputs. The 1800 lumens is going to step down a little bit there, which is still a lot of light and plenty for most applications. I like the tactical feel to it, or everyday carry, just casual carry of this thing. Feels good. The colored lenses are great if you're hunting. Tactically, you can do so as well. This also does come with a 3-year warranty, so that comes in handy. USB charge it on the go. It's another nice thing. Or if you do have some longer cell protected button top, should be able to run this just fine without any issues. This is very easy to operate. That's the number one thing, especially for someone doing security or law enforcement. Even a casual carrier, they don't want to be a bunch of stuff they got to do to be able to get the light to function or do something special. Alright, well, I want to thank Trustfire for sending me this T6 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video where you can get this. I'm also working on a special discount code. If I get that, it'll be there too to help you save money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Trustfire lights, new that is, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.